slide. No, hold on. Hang on, gotta hold Dad's hand and try to film it. You're in position. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Is that fun? Good job, Natalie. Get down from the sled. Can you get down by yourself? Big jump? Maybe a little hand? There we go. Good. Yeah. It's so fun at the park. There's your car. Beep beep. Should Dad get in the car and you push? Yeah, what's that? Natalie, where are we going to go to next? Oh. That is such a cute walk. Stomp, 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 stomp. Uh-oh. Natalie, what are you doing? Trying to get on there? Need some help? Ba, 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 ba. Is that fun? You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Down. Ah, it's a bad glare. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Oops, I'm sorry about that.
Let's get you on here. Hold on. Hold on. Woo! That fun? Good job. You have very good balance. Oh!
I'm talking to your back. Let me talk to the front.
Woo! Alright, time to get off. Okay, get off.
Cool rocks, huh? Oh, you have to put
Good
those
job.
up to dry, don't you? Yeah.
Good rock climber. This could be bad though. Oh, good job going down to get down off the rock. Very smart and cautious. And up. Natalie's a good walker. Been walking for like 2 weeks now, maybe. Stomping away. Let's see if I can get you from the front. Oh. What'd you find? Are those bananas? Banana. Hey, where's Natalie's mouth? That's right, you were very smart. Is that a banana for Dad? Thank you, Natalie. You are such a good share. Here, you take that back. There you go. Uh-oh, this isn't good. We gotta get out of this yucky stuff. If you fall, Mom is gonna be mad. Whoa. There you go. You're cool. You are good to go. I don't think we're gonna go in the sandbox today, though. No, gonna get dirty. Good for you. Nope. Come on, you can do it. Up, 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 up. Yes. back at that dirty butt. Alright, Natalie, say bye-bye.